genes R and Y are located very close on the chromosomal linkage map of maize plant. When capital RR, capital YY and small rr, small yy genotypes are hybridized, then F2 segregation will show A. Higher number of the recombinant types, B. Segregation in the expected 9:3:3:1 ratio, C. Segregation in 3:1 ratio, D. Higher number of parental types. Correct answer is D. Higher number of the parental types. A sequential expression of a set of human genes occurs when a steroid molecule binds to the A. Transfer RNA, B. Messenger RNA, C. DNA sequence, D. Ribosome. Correct answer is C. DNA sequence. Given below are four methods A to D and their modes of action. Mendel was the native of A. France, B. Sweden, C. India, D. Australia. Correct answer is D. Australia. Which of the following Mendel has selected for his experiment? A. Garden pea, B. Pigeon pea, C. Sweet pea, D. Moong. Correct answer is A. Garden pea. The resemblance of individuals to their progenitors is called A. Heredity, B. Genetics, C. Evolution, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Heredity. The genes controlling 7 traits in P studied by Mendel were later found to be located on the following number of chromosomes: A7, B4, C5, D6. Correct answer is B4. What is the correct sequence of the following events? First, formation of chromosome theory of heredity. Second, experiments with the Okazaki fragments in DNA chain growth. A. Result in transcription. B. Polymerize in the 3-2 to 5-day direction and forms replication fork. C. Prove semi-conservative nature of DNA replication. D. Polymerize in the 5-2 to 3-day direction and explain 3-2 to 5-day DNA replication. Correct answer is A. Result in transcription. Inheritance of skin color in humans is an example of A. Chromosomal aberrations, B. Point mutation, C. Polygenic inheritance, D. Codominance. Correct answer is C. Polygenic inheritance. The length of DNA molecule greatly exceeds the dimension of the nucleus in the eukaryotic cells. How is this DNA accommodated? A. Deletion of non-essential genes, B. Supercoiling in nucleosomes, C. DNA's dilution, D. Through elimination of repetitive DNA. Correct answer is B. Supercoiling in nucleosomes. Differentiation of organs and tissues in a developing organism is associated with A. Development mutations, B. Differential expression of genes, C. Lethal mutations, D. Deletion of genes. Correct answer is B. Differential expression of genes. The two polynuclear